really want to show you our Lacey dress kit, which is available online or in store. It's a collaboration between Style-like Patterns and Our Fabric, and I'm going to go through the kit with you right now. So this is the dress made up, one version of it in the chambray colorway with Liberty fabric panel, and the fabric panel is also on the back. This is the Lacey dress in a fuchsia rayon fabric, also one of the kits where we've played around with the stripe direction. It has contrast stripes at the front and the back in terms of direction. So this is how the kit comes. It comes packaged in this box. You get inside the kit a gift. It may or may not be a needle thread, or it could be any haberdashery or some kind of item to help you on your sewing journey. You will get the correct coloured thread matched, which is a Gooderman Sewall 100 metre thread. You will get a label. It won't necessarily be this label, but it will be a neck label. You will get enough fusing to be able to fuse the front and back neckline. You will get enough of the Liberty or contrast print to be able to do the front and back panels according to your size breakup. And you will also get enough of the chambray or whatever fabric to do the remaining part of the dress, and of course you will get the pattern. So all those things come in the kit. You will get, the kit will come in sizes, there's 3 choices. So this is size 10 to 22. It also comes in a 18 to 30, and it also comes in a kids version 1 to 8, which is super cute. So you could do like a mini me version of the dress. And there's also a black colorway, which is a linen fabric. I can show you the linen fabric. Coming right in for the black colorway. So you would have the gingham panel in the center front and the center back, and the rest of it would be black. So this is me wearing a size 12 in the chambray version. My bust is 93 centimeters around, and the dress is finished, I think it's 104 or something, anyway, as you can see, it's like a knee length version. You could add extra length if you wanted to. If you were buying the kit online, we don't pre-cut them, we cut them to order. So if you ordered the chambray fabric independently, an extra half a meter or 25 centimeters or whatever it was you wanted to lengthen the skirt by. So if you want it needs 2 lengths for the skirt. So if you want to lengthen the skirt 10 centimeters, you'll need to order 20 centimeters extra. You could just order that as a separate unit online. The chambray is also, and then we would cut it all in one piece for you, no problem. So this is the front and the back.